Today's video is a plan with me in my Hobonichi Week's monthly pages. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning in my Hobonichi Week's monthly pages using the July cute Hobonichi Week's monthly sticker kit. But before that, I'm going to pre-plan using my Coiled pen and this cute unicorn notepad that I got from a friend. I'm just writing down my priorities. There are 3 sections of my life that I like to plan, and one of them is my shop goals. These are going to be my specific goals that I am writing down, and I'm going to divide it weekly because I do have releases that are coming out weekly for my shop. So here I'm just writing down the things that I'm going to design and our massive shop event, which is Christmas in July, and it will be live on the 15th of July. So watch out for that. And then I'm also going to just write down the things that I need to design for that shop event. And moving on to school goals, I've also written down specific deadlines, or rather specific dates for events. And then for home, I'm just writing down things about my personal life, like visit my mother, and that is our pre-planning page. Now let's get started with our planning. So I'm going to take my July cute sticker kit for Hobonichi Weeks. I'm going to start with the sidebar. So the sidebar runs along the note page or note section of the left page of your Hobonichi Weeks monthly pages. And then I'm going to cover up the days of the week using the sticker kit or the sticker provided in the kit. And then I'm going to very quickly fast forward covering up all the dates of the week or dates of the month using the strips, and it will fit all of the pages that matter for that month. And here it is going to cover just that section where you have the numbers of the day. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and put down that longer strip at the end because July runs until the 31st and there's extra boxes at the bottom. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down that extra sidebar box that says week 31, I think. And then I'm gonna cover up that little space with another full box for that page. And then for the bottom bar, I'm just gonna use the bottom bar that is provided in the sticker kit. Be very careful when you're putting it down. The sticker paper is thin as the Hobonichi, so that it won't be as bulky if I was using our regular matte paper. I'm also covering up those days that is not part of the month up at the top. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put down my bill stickers to mark down days where I will be paying any bill. For example, Shopify. We are on Shopify. We are not on Etsy. We have always been on Shopify for the shop, and that is what's left of the page. And now I'm gonna take my Recollections Planner free stickers at the back of the planner. I really want to use up that page, so I'm just picking up the stickers with similar color scheme with my monthly page, which is blue and yellow. We also have another version of the monthly sticker kit that is geometric type, so very chic. And then I'm also going to use that Happy Animals deco page for this monthly spread. As you can see here, it's just a lot of decos on the page, especially for days where I only have one specific priority. So here I'm just arranging some of the stickers that I've already put down to make way for the cute Happy Animals deco sheet stickers. And then I have just very quickly put down the things I needed to do, and I've also written on the stickers themselves. This is last month's page. It's cute, but it's a little, I don't know, cluttered for my taste, especially for a monthly. And that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like anything that you see here, please go to www.paperjoyph.com and buy our stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like us on Facebook and join our Facebook group, guys. Super fun. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!